Okay, we have the Lifesmart LS50 hot tub. And the pump is not working, so we're gonna get a replacement put in today. I'm just gonna start by draining it and opening up this panel. Let's get started. Okay, so it's currently about 40 degrees out. So I'm going to try to make quick work of this. You'll need to loosen the boots with, I used a 7/16 here. Loosen up the pipes. It's a rusty tool. Bit of water might drain it out. And I unplugged everything before draining the tub. So don't have to worry about that. Okay, I'm gonna remove the ground so I can access that. There's a bolt hidden back here. Move that out of the way. I'm gonna rotate this. I'm actually just going to go ahead and cut these lines and we'll rethread them after. Okay, there you have it. And this is the Watkins model 1431501-03. Okay, so we have the new pump here. I'm basically just going to do this reverse from how we removed it. Because I cut the ground, I'll need to actually tie in a ground wire here, which I have a bit more of, so I'll give you a phone call right back. Okay, so I've gone ahead, wired and capped everything. Make sure they're not loose. I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck these in. So we're going to put this in here at kind of an angle. We got to get that around that first bolt. Okay, they left the first bolt kind of just attached but loosened. So we're going to try to tighten that down. Now we're going to tighten on these connectors. The new pump does come with new fittings, but I'm just going to use these until they need to be replaced or wear out. They do have like an O-ring, so that provides a seal. Yeah, so let's go ahead and connect that. I'm gonna do the ground now. Just a couple more turns till it has a tight fit. Whoops. Okay, so I did in fact crack this piece right here. Don't know if it was whether I over tightened it or due to the cold. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that. I do have the piece that came with the new pump, and then grab some of these so I could snip that piece off right there. Grabbed a 1.5 PVC corner piece to replace that, and then I have some 1/2-inch PVC that will attach to fit as well. So let's get started on that. Just remove these, just move them out of the way. I'll strap them back up once we're done. Okay. And then these are the 2-inch. So, there you have that. I grabbed this in a 2-pack. It's a primer first, and then this red hot blue glue. Just gonna cover this because the stuff's really messy. Probably really no hope in keeping it off of everything, but we're gonna just tuck that in there. Loosen it a bit with these pliers. Really use anything. Make sure the edge is nice, clean cut. Looks like the paper towels kind of did the trick. Okay. So it'll fit in like so. This piece will go in. This piece will fit in here. I'm actually going to go ahead and seal these together before I move on to that part. outside for a minute. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and this part will be a bit more difficult to reach and see. And don't forget to put that over it, like I almost did. Let that dry for a bit and then we'll test it out. A little messy, but not so bad for my first time. Okay, so the tub is full and we have no leaks. I did end up adding a 1.5 inch bit of length here just so we'd have room to connect. But yeah, let's plug it in and see how it runs. Make sure to open up all the jets. You just turn this one clockwise. Check to make sure there's no leaks. Just close that up and pop in screw there and then we're good to go.